Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing something called Space Pen. Well, you're probably asking me, well, Tiny Reviewer, why are you reviewing a pen? This pen is very expensive, one, because it's $23. Why is that so expensive? Well, I know why. On the back of the package, it says, President John F. Kennedy challenged America to put a man on the moon. Paul C. Fisher knew no existing pen could perform in the gravity-free, freezing cold, and boiling hot vacuum of space. That's true, right? Because there's no gravity in there and the pen ink will just go everywhere. That's not good. So this pen is a pen that is specially made to work in gravity-free space and in water. That's amazing. So if you ever want to go swimming and you want to take notes on your swimming lessons, take this pen with you and you'll be able to write during the lesson. Don't do it with groups or swimming, competitions. And don't do it in Olympics either, if you're an Olympic player. Just kidding. Anyways, so that's why it's expensive and it's very special. All right, so I'm kind of opening it. There we go, we found it, and out the wrapper. All right, oh, I'm so excited for this. There we go. And there's a picture of somebody in space. Probably Neil Armstrong or, Buzz Aldrin. And there it is in the very tight, and look, it looks like outer space, the moon's surface. It looks like a planet, like with rings. Cool. Let's see if I can find well, that's the pen. Backside, we're not gonna write with this part either, right? There. Ooh, I can't wait. So, I have a piece of paper. I'm not good at writing cursive, but I'll write the word let, L-E-T. Let's see if it writes specially. It kind of writes like, regular pens. Cool. Guess what I'm drawing? Not good at drawing, but I can draw the YouTube symbol. Obviously I can. Well, my handwriting is horrible. What did I just write? Tiny Reviewer. What am I reviewing? Not good with drawing a pen or anything, but I'm trying to draw my best. That looks like a weird pen, but anyways, you know what I mean. This pen. Or slash. What's that? That's a horrible moon, but anyways, moon. Full moon and a crescent moon. And the funny thing is that it's super small when it's, the lid's closed. Because you might think like, whoa, it's closed, but actually it can go deeper. So small. Not even the size of my hand. It's bigger than the width though. But if you take it out and put it on the bag when it can't go in anymore, it's like a regular sized pen actually. I like writing the Tiny Reviewer symbol. What's that? Well, I was thinking of the cursive letter F, because the cursive letter F, the uppercase was like that. So maybe that's why I drew this weird T. Well, anyways, that's a nice one, but this is what I'm talking about. Tiny Reviewer. Press the subscribe button. That's not how you spell subscribe anyways. But anyways, you know what I mean. Subscribe. That's what I wrote. Anyways, and press the like button. But it's really a thumbs up button. But I'm just writing a like, but I'm not good at drawing thumbs ups. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.